Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and finally got something new for January 2025. We have, we've got something that people have been wanting since we came out with our, let me reach back here, since we came out with our original Monte Carlo, what's that, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, something like that. Time has just blown by. Bertha. This has been a much requested kit forever. I know a certain YouTube influencer in the Phoenix area that wanted to build this when he got our first copy. I'm talking about our good buddy Lucas. He wanted to build this from the very beginning when he got his first kit. He was going to get the decals for it and do it. He's been a little busy since then, and now he's finally got the chance to build Bertha. So let's take a look at this. Let me move it over so it doesn't have all the reflection on it, and let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Check out. I opened it up. I usually don't. I opened it up, looked at. Can you see that? I couldn't put it all back into the box. There is so much stuff in here, more than I think we've ever had in any of our kits, including the next gen. So let's take a look and see what's inside there. So you now got a new little view of the new little special area that I have for unboxing my model kits here, and let me unwind my headset cable. So here it is. There's that nice artwork for the DiGard Bertha. It did not have Darrell Waltrip's name on here, but we all know that's who drove the thing. So let's see what's in here. And as I said, there is more in this box than we've had in anything before. So there, of course, is that Monte Carlo body and the glass. The round squishy things that it is very chilly here in Waco, Texas this morning, and these are very hard in the cold. Okay. Comes with your chrome bumpers for this one, because our intent is that you would build the Bertha with the round headlights, though I think there's stuff in here for doing both. Then we have a metallic tree. So there's some of your metallic parts. You know what? I don't know offhand if this has the 9 or the 5s, but here are the 9-hole rims. There's the engine parts. There's other bumpers if you choose that you want to paint it. Okay. You're going to be using some of these things, but you're not going to use all of them. There's going to be a lot of stuff in this kit that you guys who like to hoard parts, you're going to have all sorts of extras. Okay, here's another one of those extra trees. If I were a smart man, I would have brought my knife over here and risked losing a thumb for this. Right, Mr. Batson? Oh, maybe I should be rethinking this right now. Okay, there is a metallic tree that you've got your brake parts. You don't have to put these on, but if you want to, you can. There is the truck arms that you need. You have your optional ride height adjustment with these extra front spindles. So you have a lot of adjustment on this for ride height. Just as we have the shims for the back to go between the truck arms and the rear end. You can put the shims here. You've got that option to change your ride height in the rear. You've got the option to change your ride heights in the front. Here are your axles for the front. There are your springs for the truck arms. Okay, so Bertha had a green chassis. So there you have a green chassis, so you don't have to paint You're also going to have, you know, some other inside stuff if you want to use them. And through the miracles of editing, I have now added a knife. So if you use some of those green parts, you're going to have some extra white parts. So here's the, once again, here's the spindles, the truck arm, brakes, things like that. And there's your front ends, your front valance, your rear end. So there's your round headlight, the corresponding rear end for the square and the square headlights. So you could do other stuff with that. Here is your hood, your roll cage for the doors. See, there's just a lot of extra stuff in this kit for you guys. Okay, so here's the springs for, or the shocks for the front, the original height level spindles. If you choose to use this torsion bar set, it's here. And let's see what else. You've got the part of the roll cage that goes around the engine, water pump. There's your adjusters for your rear to go between your truck arms and your rear end. Engine, seat, some other stuff here. Okay, there's your exhaust. A few things to go around the radiator. And then once again, here's another tree with the chassis. So you're going to have an extra chassis for something else, other wheels for something else if you need to. So you got a bunch of extras in here. Yeah, once you get them out of the box, you're not going to be putting them back in the box. So if you've built this car, you've seen the instruction sheets, and here's your decal placement sheets. And here is your decal sheet. The Gatorades, the numbers, and down here to go on the underside of the hood. Hi, I'm Bertha. Let's see, how does that go? Let me pull this out of the box. Cold fingers this morning. So under the hood, it'll say, hi, I'm Bertha. So you guys who know the history of this car should be really happy with what you're getting on this. And like I said, those of you who like to hoard parts, you're getting a whole bunch of extra stuff in here. So you'll be able to use it for bashing, kit bashing other things. And so anyway, like I said, Mr. Lucas C has been wanting to build this kit for years. Now everything's here. Aftermarket decal guys would have had everything on there, but probably didn't have the hi, I'm Bertha to make it completely official. So guys, these are shipping right now. I typically get mine with a little luck. I get my kits a few days earlier because they're coming directly from the factory to me, and so that I can get these videos up for you guys. So anyway, yeah, you're going to have a whole lot of extra stuff to build. And for those of you who really don't want to spend all the time in painting, you may not have the facilities, and right now with it being as stinking cold as it is in the rest of the country, and here in Waco, Texas, as I came down, came out to the barn this morning, it was just a little under 50 degrees, a balmy 50 degrees, and for some of you guys in this country, this is running around in shorts and sleeveless shirts weather. But paint doesn't like it. You might be able to deal with it, but paint doesn't like it. So these kits, now that we produce them with the colors, that'll give you a little bit of an advantage. So hope you enjoy building it. Rick Salvino and myself enjoy making these and providing these for you, and we really do enjoy seeing what you come up with. We have a builders club, which is a kit of the month, and this is our kit of the month for the club, so they automatically get this. It costs nothing to join. If you're interested about it, there's information as I dump stuff out of the box. There's information on the side of the box of what's involved with the Builders Club. It costs nothing to join. All you do is you agree that you're going to stick in the club for a while, and you're going to get one kit a month. And typically, we'll have like 9 classic cars. Of those, 3 or 4 are going to be club exclusives. They're only available for members of the club. We only make enough for that. But if you've got a buddy that's in the club, you can con him into buying one for you, picking one up for you. But they are only available if you're in the club. They're not posted on the regular website. So that's kind of a pretty good deal too. And yours are always the first ones shipped. So anyway, hope you check that out. You can sign up on that on our web store, salvinosjrmodels.com. I think I'll probably put the address there, and there'll be a link in the show notes. And so there you go. That's it for now. I will probably be doing another video later today because I've got a William Byron, his 2024 Valvoline car that is going to be our add-on kit, we call it, for the club, and that will be available. That will be shipping within days also. So those are available on the web store. So thanks for watching our videos, checking us out on Facebook. There's the link for that below too. So join us on Saturday mornings where we talk about what's the newest and what's the progress, and we have approved the patterns for the test shots on the 2024 Mustang. So we will be coming out with that in probably March. We're going to have Joey Logano's championship car in the new Mustang. So that's it, folks. Thanks again, and let me send us out with a little music.